It has been a tremendous day here in New Mexico. A beautiful sunny day. It's the time of year where from the sycamores and the maples, the little keys, after having worked so hard to grow vertically, are going to detach from the mothership of their tree and float and tumble and plant a seed somewhere else. And the wings that are the Virgin Galactic wings that I have the huge privilege of pinning on the crew are those sycamore seeds and the sycamore wings. It's just a beautiful acknowledgement of the work and the passion and the risk and the accomplishment of everybody here, and specifically these 4 new astronauts. So if I could have you come up first here, please. All right, go. Everybody, Sharisa Bandla, astronaut! Colin, come up. Get this in the right hand. Tremendous honor. Lovely that your family is here. There you go, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, Colin Bennett, astronaut! Ready? Yeah. Just reach across. There we go. Get the magnet secure. All right. And as part of the historic Unity 22 flight, ladies and gentlemen, it is Beth Moses, astronaut. And I don't know of anyone on Earth with the wild vision, the confidence where so many people don't have it, the willingness to take chances, the tenacity to follow it through, and the chance then to celebrate with everyone than this man sitting next to me. And so it's a ridiculous honor for me, sir, to be able to give you something that you have earned so handily.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice chest, Richard. That's good. Ladies and gentlemen, this here is Sir Richard Branson, astronaut. Congratulations. Congratulations. Well done, sir. Congratulations, guys.
No, thanks. Chris.
Well done.
Thanks for coming out. That was
Well done.
wonderful.
The ship okay?
Oh, yeah. It was an interesting time.
Really?
Oh, yeah, she's ready to go again.
There you go, guys.
Oh, God.
I'll get out of the way.